how to buy BinaryX crypto on Binance. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy BinaryX on Binance website in easy fast way. First thing we do, we go to binance.com and then log into your account from here, or make an account just from here. It's easy. Then go here to the top and click on markets. After you click on markets, go down and search for BinaryX. Search for it. Okay. Where is binary? If you didn't find it, just search for it here and then click on it here. And this is the BinaryX trading page. Now you have to go here and choose the amount of BNX that you want to buy. For example, 20, and make sure this option on buy, not sell, and you will find the buy now option here. Click on it and everything will be done. Don't forget to like and subscribe.